Hello, welcome back. Let's take a look at question 14 from the STARR test of 2019. So this question asks, which value of x makes this equation true? And we have this equation. So this question is asking us to solve this equation to find out x. So this is pretty much a very straightforward question. I believe you should be able to solve it if you master the skills. You probably can solve it in 1 minute, less than 1 minute. And the prior knowledge, so we have done one similar problem in question 7. So I recommend you to take a look back at question 7 to review what we have done in question 7. So remember, when we solve the equation, there's a basic rule. That is, when an item, we can move the item to from left to right or from right to left. So one item is moved to the other side, positive will turn negative and negative will turn positive. So the positive and negative sign will turn. So that's one important rule. All right, now that we have this equation, let's go ahead and solve this equation. So we have this equation, and remember, ultimately, we want to know what is the value of x. So we want to know what is x. So that is, we want all the x, we want x on the left side and the number on the right side. So we are going to move the number, this -15, we'll move it to the right side. So after I move it, this -15 will become a +15. So after moving, I have 12x equals to 6 minus 3x plus 15. All right. So this 6 plus 15 is 21. So it is 12x equals to 21. And there's a -3x, -3x. Okay, next step. We have all the numbers on the right side, but we also want all the x on the left side. So we're going to move this -3x to the left side. Okay, after we move it, this originally it was -3x. After we move it, the negative will turn positive, so it will become a +3x. So it will become 12x plus 3x. It's gonna be 15x equals to 21. So we have this. All right. Lastly, 15x is 21. We just want 1x. So we can divide 15 on both sides. After you divide 15 on both sides, this will be 15x divided by 15. This will cancel, so it will become 1x. And on the right side, you have 21 over 15. X equals to 21 over 15. Well, there's not one answer that says 21 over 15. It is because that we have not further simplified. We need to simplify this answer. So 21 over 15. 21 is equals to 7 times 3, right? And 15 is 5 times 3. So to simplify this, we can cancel the 3 on the top and on the bottom. So they will cancel. And we have, this will equal to 7 over 5. 7 over 5. So the steps, first, I move all the numbers to the right side. Then I move all the x parts to the right, to the left side. Remember, when you move the item to the other side, they will turn the positive and negative signs. after I have all the x on one side, all the numbers on the other side, you can divide this 15 on both sides. And lastly, you simplify the answer, and you have the final answer, which is 7/5. And the answer is J. The answer is J. Did you get the correct answer?